boys and girls, here's another video, and this time, this is practicing the beginning sound, and it's also going to be practicing blending words together. Say hi, this is my son Ian. He's in kindergarten, so he's going to show you how to do this. I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to say the very first or beginning sound. This is actually a lot like what the reading teachers often test you on. Listen. Jump. What's the first sound in jump? J. Yes, j. Now, when we do this the Haggerty way, we would say jump. You would go jump, j. But when we do it for reading, you're going to say jump, or the teacher will say jump, and you will say j. Here we go. Let's try with other words. Fall. Yes. And I hope you're saying this with Ian. Quick. Yes. Funny. Yes. Now, if you want to trick yourself and challenge yourself, pause the video after I say the word. You do a big pause. That way he's not giving you the answer. Ready? Last one. You wait 1 second. Gum. What's the first sound in gum? Pause the video if you want to try. Gum. G. Yes, g. Now what we're going to do is blend words together. And I'm going to say outside. And you'll say outside. Ready? Get your hands ready. And you're going to use this one first, this one second, and then clap them together and say the word together. Are you ready? Mrs. Rudick will say pan, cake. You say pan, cake.
Pancake.
Yes, pancake. Now he's going to try it. He's the class. Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
You're going to do the next one yourself. So are you. Birthday.
Birthday.
Okay, do this one all by yourself.
Birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Birthday.
Very good. Ready? Card. Board.
Cardboard.
Good, but copy the words. Card. Board. Cardboard. Fire. Man.
Fireman.
Right, but let's say them separate. Fire. Man. You say them separate.
Fireman.
No, say them separate means we take them apart. Say fire. Fire.
Fire.
Man.
Man.
Now you try it yourself.
Fire. Man. Fireman.
Yes. So it would look like this for him. Fire. Man. Fireman. Okay. That's it for today, friends. And then tomorrow we will be practicing the ending sounds and words. And this one's really fun. So stay tuned for that.
Can I be in it, Mommy?
Sure.